My god. Amazing taste, guys. Hey guys, this is your Chetan and welcome back to the new vlog. Hope you guys are doing great. Today I have dropped down to Shivaji Nagar Evening Bazaar. Exact location will be mentioned in the description part. So the place where I have dropped down is Pappu Bc. This is a hidden treasure of Bangalore and they won't be serving any kind of beef over here. Only mutton as well as chicken. So outside this hotel looks very small, but inside they have a very big dine-in and they do have car parking area and all. So you can drop down with family. Let's go and speak to the owner. So after that, let's see what is getting prepared for us in the kitchen. Here is Mr. Waseem. He is the owner of Pappu Bc Hotel. So this is there from how long, sir?
We are from almost 5 years.
Okay.
5 years.
So what is so special of this restaurant?
Actually, we are famous for the mutton biryani and chicken biryani also. And side dishes, we are famous for Boti curry and head curry, mutton chops, mutton kidney. All items are very specialized here. The main thing is about our restaurant is we have our own shop, mutton and chicken, and we do from everything from the same shop.
Okay.
And we are also famous for the sea fish. Like we have sea fish like black pomfret, white pomfret, sumi fish. All fishes are available here.
Okay. If anyone needs like home delivery, you're gonna be providing
Yes,
Swiggy, Zomato, and
Swiggy,
Denso.
Zomato, Denso, and free delivery from our side.
Okay.
Within 2 kilometers.
Within 2 kilometers. Okay, that sounds great. And at what time this restaurant gets open usually?
Usually exactly 12:30.
12:30.
Yeah. 12:30 p.m. to 6 p.m.
6 p.m. in the evening.
In the evening.
And after that?
No.
No, it's closed. It's closed. Night dinner you won't be giving up. Okay. So they are not gonna be serving night dinner here. And how about holiday?
There is no holiday.
Okay. All the 7 days.
All 7 days are working.
Okay. Okay.
Even weekends like Saturday, Sunday also we are open.
Okay. So you people do take caterings and all?
Yes. Actually, our main business is catering. We are almost dealing with almost 20 years before.
Okay.
Like catering wedding for wedding functions, like small opening home ceremony functions.
Okay.
Birthday functions and all we do.
Okay. Now let's go inside kitchen and check out what is getting prepared for us. As I told you in the previous vlog also, many times that Muslims mutton biryani and chicken biryani taste will be amazing. If I'm just entering this restaurant itself, the aroma of the biryani is in next level, guys. It's just filling the entire street because their mutton biryani aroma is in such a level. I don't know, I'm just craving for mutton biryani. Guys, here I have got 4 wheat rotis and Bheja masala. So Bheja means brain masala. Let me try the first bite. Lot of onions has been used in this. Let me try this brain. The brain will be soft and I'll take some onions also in this. And just look at this fried onions. This gives a fantastic taste. The brain softness is giving a very good taste with this fried onion masala. And they have used slightly spinach also in this. Just look at the spinach. This is all spinach. It's not coriander leaves. Bit of tomato is being used so that tomato and sweetness of onions and spinach taste is giving the entire next level of taste with this brain masala. One of the most satisfying dish is brain for me because if you just keep it in the mouth, it just gets dissolved. Something I mean to say, it melts like a butter. Guys, here comes up with mutton shami. It's also called as mutton cutlet. Just look at this, it is so damn soft. And even slightly juiciness is also there. Let me taste it. Guys, the crispiness and slightly garam masala paste, onions is tasting entirely different. They have used basil for this It's breaking out easily when you are tearing this cutlet. Just look at this. Just with 2 fingers, if you are breaking, it's getting separated, and it's very hot also. Taste wise, amazing. Guys, here is fish fry. They have used sear fish, so it's vajram, which we call it as. But even this is like so soft, guys, and they do this as tawa fry. It's fresh, taste wise amazing. The fish smell is not there in this because they have used slight of tamarind as well as turmeric, slight crispiness with the skin, and they have used pepper, garam masala, chaat masala, and chili powder, salt. With raw onions, so this gives a next level of taste. The masala is not so thick. They have used slightly corn flour so that this masala needs to get stick to this meat, leaving that taste wise is amazing, guys. Here comes up with mutton chops. Green masala they have used for mutton chops. I'm damn sure Muslims mutton will be next level, guys. Just look at this. The meat is so damn soft, and the masala has got completely sticked on top, and I can see lot and lot of pepper. The meat is really good, and the masala whatever they have used for this mutton chops, it has entered completely deep and deep. As I told you, they have put lot and lot of pepper. Pudina taste is there. It's tasting out really good, and slightly garlic taste is also there. Guys, here is head meat, boneless head meat, and we call it as tale mamsa. And first time I'm trying boneless. Just look at this. It's so damn soft. The fatness is in next level. Of course, when it comes to brain or when it comes to head, the fatness has to be there. It is so juicy. If I'm just keeping in the mouth, the fat is completely getting filled inside my mouth. And they have used slightly dry coconut in this curry, and lot of garam masala and even pepper. Slight pepper is being used, not more. And they have used lot and lot of onions. Slightly sweet taste is coming. That's because of onions. And even the fat has got melted in this, so it's giving a next level of taste, guys. Guys, here is Boti curry. Let me try this. The fat is just flowing. I'll take a piece from Boti, put it in the plate, try it out like that itself. They have cleaned really well. Just look at this. They have cut in middle and they have cleaned inside, because usually Boti, if I need to eat out, I'll think twice and thrice. Boti no one cleans so well, but here they have cleaned out well, and whatever the food I tasted till now, it's all like homemade food itself. Most of the chef, whoever is preparing the food inside the kitchen, they all are women, so they are maintaining some kind of good hygiene, and taste wise also fantastic. And this curry is tasting something like a bone soup. The bone soup taste is there in this curry. Even that is giving a fantastic taste, guys. Here comes up with keema ball. So I just asked them for 2 pieces of keema, because after eating so many starters, definitely the food will get wasted. I feel really very bad to waste the food, so I just ask a small quantity wherever I go. Just look at this meatball. They have put basin and they have put lot of masala inside this. So let me try this and tell you what and all they have put. The meatball getting separated easily. They have used coconut in this curry, and inside meatball, basin taste is slightly high. And first they have done oil fry of this meatball, keema ball. Then they have put it in the curry and they have salted. Guys, here comes up with the mutton biryani. Definitely people will be seeing a very big smile on my face. I could not resist the smell from such a long period of time. They have used jeera sambar rice in this, that is so for sure. So only that is giving such a huge and a big amount of aroma, I can say. So let me go for the first bite. The ghee taste is quite dominating in this. Just look at this, guys. How it will get separated. Just look at this big piece of mutton. This might be somewhere at least 70 grams to 110 grams. Let me put this piece in rice and taste it out. The meat has been cooked out so well. You just need to understand how it is getting separated from the bone. Just look at this again, I'll show you. It is so good. My god. Amazing taste, guys. And the meat is really very fresh. And please don't mind, guys, the place is very crowded, so you might have something additional noise also in the video. Tomato puree and onions taste is quite dominating, as well as ghee taste, guys. And they have put dum also for this. So the piece is a bit fried here. You can just see the piece, how it has got fried. And this biryani they are gonna be cooking in wood fire, not on gas. Guys, when I came to this restaurant, that time the crowd wasn't there, but after ordering the food, after sitting, and when I started, the crowd became crazy. I hope this vlogs comes out well. Even with my voice, you might have heard lot of other noise also. Please do ignore with that. The food was really good and price is budget friendly. The quantity of the food is also like great. Here they are not gonna be serving beef. They have mutton and chicken. Before also I told, now also I am telling. Why means in Shivaji Nagar, most of the people think that they might serve even beef also in that restaurant. No, they are not serving beef. They have clearly mentioned on the board also. I personally recommend you people to try this Bheja masala, mutton biryani, fantastic, and meat ball, amazing. Shami also. People in and around Shivaji Nagar or Fraser Town, Indian Express, they can definitely drop down to this place. If not, also you people can place the order with Zomato, Swiggy and Denzo. I'll be mentioning the price and the location in the description part. If you people are still not following me in Insta, please do follow. If you people like this vlog, please do like, share and comment. Catch up in the next vlog. Till then, bye, take care, see ya.